Today we're repping the LBC with a Long Beach iced tea. Welcome to Liquid Playground. I'm your host, Adam Berardi. I've been bartending for so long, I was the only bartender working at the signing of the Declaration of Independence. And today, we're going to make a Long Beach iced tea. Let's get started. So all you need to really know about making a Long Beach or a Long Island is it takes 5 liquors. For all intents and purposes, and for today, I'm going to show you how to make it with 4 liquors. But generally speaking, it was supposed to be 5 liquors. The reason why we do 4 now is because a Long Island or a Long Beach, which we're making, would normally have 4 ounces of alcohol in it. But liquor laws have changed over the years, and some states will allow you to serve 4 ounces of alcohol to one person. Some states will only allow you to serve 2 ounces of alcohol to one person. So it kind of depends on where you are. Also, if you're serving somebody 4 ounces of alcohol, some states will say you can give them that, but only for an hour. That's all they can drink for an hour. If you drink 4 ounces of alcohol in an hour, you're going to be intoxicated for at least 2 hours afterward. So it's kind of a catch-22. So most bars in every state that I've worked in have always asked to use 4 liquors and 2 ounces of alcohol instead of 5 and 4 ounces of alcohol. I know it's confusing. We're going to do it the way that we do it in my state. So here we go. So before we get started, one more thing. The 5 alcohols that you were supposed to use in a classic Long Island, if you're making it at home, or a Long Beach that I'm making today, is the 5 white liquors. We have a vodka, we have a rum, we have a gin, we have a tequila, and we have a triple sec. And those are the ones we'd use. Today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take out one of those, and the one we're going to take out today is the tequila. So we're going to use vodka, rum, gin, triple sec. So here we go. I was running out of vodka, so I went again next door to my friend Ben's house, got some vodka to do this, and we're gonna go ahead and pour in half an ounce of vodka right in. Again, we're just building over ice. Simple, simple, simple. That's half an ounce. Next, we're gonna go for the rum. Our rum is right here. This one is Berardi. Got this nice decanter set. I have so many decanters and they're very bulky. Take up a lot of camera room, so we try to only leave 2 out at a time. I don't know. If I get some fancier ones, some smaller ones, I like to have all of them displayed, but for now, 2's good. So that's our vodka, that's rum. You can see right now it's already almost up to the halfway mark, so we want to be careful with that. Then next, we're going to go ahead and use some gin. New Amsterdam. Don't get to use this stuff too much because not a lot of drinks that call for it. And we're going to do a 2-second pour of this. So we're going to go 1, 2, done. That's it. Now, it wasn't supposed to count to 2. As you know, I just over poured. I have a hard time with 2-second counts. So it should be 1 break, not 1, 2. But it's pretty close, and I'm drinking it, so I'm fine with that. The last thing is triple sec. Now, Grand Marnier technically isn't a clear liquor, but it is, kind of in the triple sec family. I like it a lot. I like it for most things that I make. Most people do. You can use a Cointreau, a bitter orange, or any kind of triple sec you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and pour another. There we go. Half an ounce right in there. Look at that. Now, because of my heavy hand, you'll notice I poured a little bit past the halfway mark there. So great drink for me, not a great drink for a guest at your establishment. Keep that in mind. If you're at home, I'm sure your guests at home are going to love it. Next, we're going to put some sour in this. This is sour that I made at home. It's actually fresh lime juice, so I used 2 limes again. I squeezed 2 limes, 1 whole lemon, added a little bit of simple syrup to that, stirred it, let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours, and you'll notice it has a very nice color to it. It'll last for about a week without separating, and it tastes fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that on the top. It's going to kind of eyeball this to the top. For those at home, normally in a Long Island, you'd use 4 ounces of mixer, or a Long Beach, because I'm making a Long Beach. 4 ounces of mixer. I've just kind of eyeballed it. It looks like it's about 2.5 ounces there. And look at all of that goodness I just got on the bar, pardon me. And the very last thing is we're going to add cranberry juice. This is a Long Beach. Now, if you were making a Long Island, the only difference is you would add cola to the top, and it looked like a Long Island. But for a Long Beach, we had cranberry juice. So we can add some cranberry juice to that. Very light cranberry juice. Here we go, making a little spill there. Bartenders spill all the time. It's not important if you spill. It's important you clean it up afterward. Nobody wants to go to a bar if you're a new bartender and you got stuff everywhere, ice and liquid everywhere, and like your strainer's out where it's not supposed to be, and then your jigger's on that side and it's never been rinsed. Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants that drink. Make sure that if you're doing that in public, make sure that you clean your section. Make sure it looks nice, looks appetizing and wonderful that way. Now, there's one more thing that we need to put on this. Do you know what it is? You guessed it, it's a garnish. So we're gonna go ahead and garnish this bad boy right now. Let's see if I can find my tongy tongs, because tongs are king. Now, normally, you'd use tongs, gloves, pick. I don't have a pick, I don't have gloves. I do have tongs though, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up an orange wheel. And what you wanna try to do is stick that bad boy, ooh, can I do it with the tongs so I don't have to touch it? Yeah, right on the side. And there you have yourself a gorgeous, amazing looking Long Beach. Now it's kind of separated. It's not supposed to be separated like that. It should be cascading to the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, perhaps I used too much simple syrup, and the cranberry juice is very light, so it's a natural cranberry juice. It starts with an L. It's from Trader Joe's. So it doesn't have a lot of sugar, so it's not sinking to the bottom. And things with sugar, the things that are heavier, will sink to the bottom of a drink. So clearly the sour was just a little bit more heavy than the cranberry juice. So there we go. We got ourselves a beautiful Long Beach iced tea. It's nice. It's usually a little bit darker if you're using the bar cranberry juice or a cranberry juice cocktail, but here we go. It still looks beautiful. It looks just like what it should look like. Yeah, it's got a nice lemon on the side. And to go back over things again, we used 4 liquors instead of 5. So we used a rum, we used gin, we used triple sec, and we used vodka. And that's all we used. If you were doing this at home, or if your bar allowed it, you could use a white tequila, make the 5 whites, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. So here we go. Gonna pick it up. Ooh, I can really smell the Grand Marnier. Still smells good. I like it. I'm gonna give it a shot. Ooh, that is really good. It almost still tastes like iced tea. Maybe kind of like, yeah, like almost like an Arnold Palmer, really. It's fantastic. You can taste the cranberry. The cranberry juice I got was all natural cranberry juice, so it's a little bit more acidic than I thought. It still tastes fantastic. The garnish of the orange zest, really, the lemon zest, that's a lemon, not an orange, really kind of adds to it a little bit. I like it. It's an impressive drink. Another one that's really good for a summer day. I think you could really impress your friends and family with this one as well. So thanks so much for joining me on this Long Beach iced tea journey. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like what you saw, please do me a favor, like it, subscribe to it if you can, share with your friends and family, and as always, don't forget to tip your servers and bartenders. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Got a Long Beach up. Sold American. It is Long Beach. Drink it up. You're going to love it.